Holy shit.
Hold on. Hold on. I to get
Level
prep.
D, level A, Kevlar.
Move. 3A, insane.
Move, hold on. Sometimes
Wait,
I
guys, I think
dream
it
about
is-
cheese.
And the entrance is open.
Helmet. Alright, which gun do I get? The LJ or?
Oh, the fucking Winchester, dude. It's disabled. This is insane.
I'm just waiting in jail. This is some bullshit. Oh, the ammo crate, yeah, that's great. That's great. Just still waiting. Still waiting to get out of jail.
I need a weapon. I need bigger weapons.
Bigger weapons.
Bigger weapons.
Please move, guys. He don't get out.
Crunchy Spaz 12. Should I get the Spaz 12 or what should I get? What should I get?
Wait, where's the ammo crate? Oh, rear. I
the
got
double.
it.
God damn, bro. I don't know what the fuck to choose from.
Oh my god. I'm just stuck in jail. Man, that's some bullshit. I'm missing out.
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah,
Ready.
Come on, just a minute left.
Just get my stuff.
Hey,
Stop. There we go.
my fucking, I can't carry my PTRS with level 3A armor, so I'm gonna have to use a shotgun instead.
I could eat a horse.
Alright, so hey, I can technically get myself like a sidearm or some shit. Oh.
Dude, so much fucking buckshot ammo.
There you are, boy.
Oh shit, it's too heavy for me.
Can I?
Come on. Just 15 more seconds. Come on, event don't start yet.
Get over here once you get your gear.
Out the way, move! Damn it, I gotta
Come on, I need.
Over here.
I need.
What is this?
I need bullets. Bullets.
let me move. I need more bullets.
Okay, fine, I'm going to the sewers now. I'm going to the sewers. Someone go to the alleyway entrance and open the door for me so I can get in.
Protection team alert.
What's going on?
Someone go to the alleyway entrance so that I can get into the sewers.
Assemble. Stamp. Contain.
Hey, where's the free loot, boys? Where's the free loot?
Well,
Over there.
hold on.
Over you.
Hey, I need free loot, boys. I need free loot. Someone.
Rebel in your upstairs, right there, in the corner.
Okay.
What the fuck is this, bro?
Oh, the alleyway's open. The alleyway's open. I'm coming, Steve. I'm coming.
If you talk over me,
I just got in the sewers.
If you talk over me, I will kick you. If you talk over me, I will kick you.
Anyone have food?
No, this event is gonna be so fire.
Mute your mics. Listen up. Alright. Here's what needs to happen. And everyone needs to do this properly or the fence can get fucked. And we're gonna have to push back the map change. It's a two-pronged or multi-staged event that comes in 3 phases. Phase 1, which is what's gonna be the next scene, is when you guys claim control over the upper residential district and the abandoned train station and take out any CPs in your path. Fractured will not be called, so there should not be too much of a problem. The second part of this event is you need to take out the Nexus. Once you guys are inside, the next scene will play.
What
where
weapon
you
shall I
guys blow
use?
that bitch up. Okay, that's phase 2. Phase 3 is after you make it in.
What weapon
you're
shall I
gonna push
use?
back out into the plaza and kill the OTA while
I
they
don't
try
know,
to
dude. I'm
escape.
filling up on
Do
ammo.
not push them toward the station. Okay, we don't want all of them to die. Does anyone have any questions?
No.
No.
Just take the shooting already.
Please move.
My trip
Anyone need me to repeat myself?
CPs, take over Nexus, blow it up. Yep, we got it.
Exactly. Do not go team. The group leaders are instructed to shoot you in the back if you're running ahead.
Lord. Lord, you got the.
Soviet Russia rules. We love it.
Yeah.
Yeah, baby.
Make sure you guys get your ammo and make sure you guys heal up, okay? And then have a
Comrade.
good time.
I'm ready to mow down
Remember,
some CPs with this
do
thing.
not attack the content, do not attack the Nexus until the second
It's
part.
gonna be fun.
Okay.
Hey, nice spot, guys.
It's the moment that we destroy CD18.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen.
Where's the TFA? Alright, I hear this. I see it.
I think you should raise the sign a little bit. Because people can't stand in front of it right now.
Another one.
And block it.
Hold on, stop.
Thank you so much.
Oh, it's a TFA wall.
I'm not ready to go yet.
There you go.
I'm still filling up on fucking ammo and shit.
We're gonna kill Adrian Shepard, put his head on the pike, and then we're gonna celebrate for party.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Let's go.
If you're healing, come to me. I have made it really fucking obvious that I'm healing you. If you cannot figure it out, download the content, please.
Yo, can someone like screen share?
Bro, you look like a butterfly.
That's kind of the point, man.
Why does this fort look like a fucking Elden Ring boss, bro?
What Elden Ring are you playing?
I don't know, this boy got the craziest Elden Ring.
We're doing this for Jackson Devils, ladies and gentlemen. We're doing this for Jackson Devils, the leader! The leader!
Doing this for Jackson Devo, it's so true.
We're doing this for Steve Cosmo. We're doing this for Jackson Devils. And we're doing this for Jackson Devils.
Yo,
We're doing this for the peoples.
when do we leave,
For
bro?
the
I wanna
people.
shoot some cops. Let's shoot some cops.
We leave right now, yeah.
We need Jackson Devils. Jackson Devils unfortunately passed away 2 days ago.
What?
We must do this for him.
Oh, the heal.
How did he die?
He got
How did he die?
when he was playing this game.
Mine took him out. It was Vice 7 and Line 8. We must kill them.
How did he die, bro? How did he die? Oh well.
He just told you.
He had too many coffees.
Old man. Old man, go get some weapons. Old man.
TFA still alive? Jesus.
Wait, where is the
What's up, boys?
Can't wait. I'm gonna get out of City 17.
What's the best gun to use, actually?
I don't know. I just go with Keep Browning.
I went with the
Dude, where the fuck is Steve
1,
at?
2, 3,
Oh, he's
4,
organizing
5.
everything else. He'll be back in a couple
We
minutes. Everyone just get off the wall.
Yo, truly, I'm not gonna lie, you have like the fucking weirdest bank storage I've ever seen, bro. Like, yeah. Bro had 30 pens. Like, what the fuck are you doing with
What
pens?
this means, I don't even
It's like nothing else than.
Oh, you make like, dude, you make fucking armor.
Yeah, I know, but how much level 3 is you gonna make for that shit?
I wanna get the PTRS.
That was good.
By the way, for people who weren't here earlier, just don't attack the Nexus or any combine areas until they do a phase 2 thing. Just
Yes, they are. Right.
until they announce phase 2. What?
Wait, was the cutscene for us?
What?
Was the cutscene for us, or was it just random?
I think it was for
Never mind. I'm going PPSH.
Devils.
Shame on
Jackson
mine, I'm going
Devils.
PPSH.
Who's Jackson Devils again?
Glory to Steve Cosmo. Glory to Steve Cosmo.
I love PPSH, dude.
Looks crazy.
Oh,
I love me some big weapons.
I thought you Devils.
Jackson Devils here to the TFA. I don't think that's very right.
No, that is very right.
What the?
For Jackson Devils!
That guy I told him. What did I tell him again? I don't
The
remember.
leader.
Why does that stone man have a penis? Why is he whipping the shit out?
They
What
took
the fuck?
Jackson Devils away from us, so we took the city away
Showed
from them.
me how to live.
The leader
man.
of the TFA.
He's the leader of the resistance. He's the leader of the resistance. He's the leader. He's the one. If it wasn't for him, we wouldn't be here. He leads us. He leads us all every day.
You see that dude over there with the fucking...
He puts food on all of our bellies. That's what he does.
Steve! Steve!
Holy
Steve!
Lord is Steve Cosmo and Jackson
Hey,
Devils.
Steve.
Everyone stay in line, stay in line, stay in line.
Stay on the wall, gentlemen.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh shit!
Oh my god, oh no, bro, no.
Wait, I am still preparing though.
I was getting prepared, so, uh-oh.
Someone record this. Is someone recording this?
I am, you can record it. I'm just gonna metal clip it.
Yeah, I'm gonna do the multi-channel.
Dude, why would you?
They're just calling on our plane.
They're just telling them all the tactics, man. Shut up. I'm talking to the Combine. You need to know more. You need to
Phase
know
1,
more.
gorillas.
Gorilla face. Monkey face.
Alright, I think it's time to deploy.
Roll?
C'est alone or what?
We're gonna be going, we're gonna be attacking. We're gonna be attacking the top.
Someone record this,
Stay
please.
with me best you can. Stay close if you have any questions, alright? Everybody understand that?
sir!
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We got this, gentlemen.
Mano, fais-le pas d'une, tu m'as envoyé chez
We got
Damon.
this.
Je me comme, bon, voilà, tu comprends quelque part.
Alright.
Non, fais-le pas ça, c'est...
Gentlemen. Federal Army.
What the hell is that thing? What the fuck?
Federal Army. Let's go. Single man front.
Come on!
Let's go. Double
Go,
quick.
Jackson,
Let's
double!
go. Double quick.
We're finally gonna get rid of this shitty ass map, boys. We're gonna get rid of it. Here we go.
Yes, let's go. Can't wait to play on the fucking land this map.
We're a small group. We don't need many guys.
Are we going?
Wait for him to go first.
Yeah, we're going. 15 minutes, I'm trying to
Right,
get
we're
in
rolling,
the
we're rolling, we're rolling. Let's go, let's go. Oh my god. So many people.
Wait, that's not my team. Hold on.
Federal Army on this wall right now. Alright, everybody, let's go. Let's move. On me. Triple quick, let's move. Sprint.
Polo Zaleski.
There they are. Here they come.
Move.
Okay, quick announcement. I want you all to be sure
Open it
to
up.
not die.
Move it.
I'll try my best.
Oh shit, that lag.
Go. Move forward. Move. I'm gonna start shooting.
Fuck.
Charlie, go! Charlie, fucking go. What are you doing? Just move back, Charlie. Move back.
Is it black?
I'm going to stop.
Alright, shit, that's fine.
Boys, we all just gotta go.
Don't run to the fire. Don't run to the fire. Don't run to the fire.
Go.
Follow Steve.
Oh my god, the mini.
Hey, it's Zaleski. Let's follow him.
That's a lot of money.
Fucking incendiary.
This is...
Everybody, get ready.
Guys, look over there!
Commence firing, people up front. Fire a well.
Push up. Up.
Uh-oh. Ow.
Fuck, where is it coming from? Oh, that's a fucking head crab, bro. Alright, move up. What is this red line?
Be sure to watch that alley. Don't let anyone get through.
Medic!
Steve's back here with the med kit. Go back here behind the alley.
Yes. Bye, help. Thank you.
Push in, follow Steve.
Move now.
Move.
Move in. We're being freaking.
Garage.
Not going back aside. We're winning, boys.
Let's go.
Here we fucking go.
Continue to advance. Move.
We need EMP the comms. EMP the comms.
Hold them and everything.
EMP the comm, boys.
Alright, hold your position.
Okay, I'll
Wait
take
for the
it.
scene.
Apartment door.
You can
Follow Steve.
go full. Alright.
Okay, thank you, Ordinal. I love you, Ordinal. I'm guessing.
Someone watch that door. People can still come through it.
I'm holding.
Let's come up from here. Just split clear, just one's clear.
Bionic! Heal me, Bionic! Bionic! We need you, Bionic! Bionic, I need you. Bionic, heal. Heal, man, heal.
Oh shit. Oh damn.
Oh, no!
Damn!
Oh, yeah! Yeah, baby!
Phase 2. We can go into the Nexus now, boys.
Right, phase 2. Right, nice.
Here's the door!
Get ready to go into that Nexus.
It's Ukraine out there. Bro. Oh fuck. Who's shooting?
Go inside.
Get inside!
Inside. Alright, let's go.
Everyone inside, don't die.
I'm late, ain't I?
I got fucking Panzer Faust. Where's the NPC?
Where the hell is Steve?
What's going on here?
Am I late? Or are you guys?
Yeah, it's already begun.
We're way into it.
Watch the left.
Behind us, watch it behind. Where's Steve?
If I get in the server right now, am I not gonna be able to do this?
You're not gonna be able to go.
Oh, fuck.
It's already begun.
You won't be able to get on. Get on. Come here. I've been waiting for like 25 minutes on the queue.
Eh, what you gonna do?
Go back up top. Earn that puck. Go up.
Where are you guys?
Top floor of the 45th. Everyone go back up. Go back up, everyone.
Alright,
Payback,
I'm going back up.
Heavy fire. Kill them all.
I got it, lady!
Alright, I'm back up here. Oh shit! Damn! They're getting fucking melted right here. Damn.
Go for the Nexus!
Do we go back down? Or?
Oh shit!
Don't go down. Do not go down.
Alright.
Oh man.
Alright, we're gonna go back up, push through the top.
How many of them are in there? In the
Push top.
Go boys! Go!
Fire I will. Don't even bother with the loot. You're all gonna die anyways, probably. So just
So imagine if we get to keep this.
Oh no, I think I'm gonna need the ammo.
They said go next.
Oh, I'm off a 9. Never mind, I do have no hope. Oh shit, the blood! Oh crap, that's the wrong dude. They're trying to come through! It's anarchy down here!
Where are we entering Nexus from? Are we entering upper slums? Because I'm holding B.
We're going Nexus. We're holding outside the bridge.
Outside the bridge. Okay. All right, then I'll move back to the bridge.
No, because all I brought was this. Dude, hear this man. Where's the freaking biotic?
Empty incoming.
Nexus, go, go, Nexus, go, 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 Nexus, Nexus, go, go, Nexus, the Nexus, go, go, go.
Forward position.
But we're going Nexus. Actually, no, wait, fuck. I'm going back to the bridge, actually.
Thank you.
Yeah, still at the bridge, right? Yep. Alright, thank you. Nice.
Move back.
Move the Nexus.
Hop mine in the entrance. Don't go near it. Hop in my God!
No, Ghost. No, Jacob. We're not moving Nexus. We're staying right here until Steve orders us to move.
Oh, oh.
We gotta move the Nexus.
Oh shit. That's new.
Oh. Oh. Wait.
Oh? Is that Google Ventfall?
Okay, boys.
Oh shit.
Ooh.
That seems a bit
damn, that's
dramatic.
new.
We have to chase CTA and kill them as quickly as possible.
Here we go. This is it.
Yo, this is sick!
This is where the
This is fucking awesome!
Let's go. Alright, what now? What now?
Christ almighty.
Where's CTA? Where's CTA at?
Actually, hold on to your right.
Go 45th, let's go.
Everybody down to 45th! Everybody down to 45th!
Alright, move back, single file in the door. One person at a time. Go. Come on.
I'm in 45th. I'm in 45th.
Alright, just keep following Steve. He's the guy about the best. Keep going down the stairs, don't stop, single file.
It's just like a piece of project.
Damn!
Yeah.
God damn!
Go, boys! Go, move in!
Vietnam.
I never been shot at.
Good morning, Vietnam.
Hey, agreed, Mike.
Catwalks. CTN catwalks. Open fire.
Oh, he's dead.
Oh fuck. Oh, that's not good. That's not good. There's a CTA on. Fuck. Open the door. Open in door. Fuck, I'm falling back. No, fuck! I'm dead.
The lag is so severe!
We are going
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, least Steve is.
I can't even play the game! Oh my god, I'm dying!
45th, 45th. Steve said, 45th, everybody.
He was at 45th, bro. Oh,
Kill that ordinal.
fuck that shit. Fuck this.
45th, regroup at 45th. Go, go, go. Everyone go 45th. Let's go.
Wait, do I think he's a chance to respawn or something? I wonder.
45th!
Hold at the bottom floor. Don't move up.
Okay, Cap.
We're gonna prepare for a push.
I need help! Help me, build! 40
Yo,
slots
everybody
open
up,
up now!
everybody up. Everybody get ready to push. Get ready. Get ready to charge. Is everybody ready?
On your word.
Get ready.
On
Yep.
your word.
Everybody ready to charge?
Dylan, this is so
Ready?
freaking cool.
Charge. Let's go.
Charge!
Go, 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 go.
Go!
Kill them all. Keep following Steve. Fall back, and all the way. Just hold. Hold at the edges.
Wow!
On the firing line.
Firing line on Steve. Move.
Firing line. Firing line. Left and right. Crouch down. Crouch down.
Shotguns in front. Everyone else with any other weapon?
Catbox is clear.
Get ready.
Stand up.
Get ready.
Prepare to fire.
When they come. Everybody hold right here. Just
I need a hailing.
hold right here, gentlemen.
Wait. Everyone stand still. Everyone stand still.
Hold.
Alright, listen,
Hold right here, gentlemen. Stay down.
Do not move.
Stay down, stay down. Everybody get ready on my word. On my word. Get ready. On my word. On my word. Get ready. Get ready. Stay down.
Open fire when Steve says so.
John, what the fuck are you doing?
Watching?
On my mark.
A lone citizen, dude. What a fucking badass.
Company.
Look at him go! Look at him go!
Fire. Hold.
He's a fuck.
He's dead! He's dead!
Hold. Hold. There's no one there anymore. They're dead.
Oh!
Company. Everybody take aim. Take aim. Get ready. Whether they come or not, you just shoot. Get ready. Hold. Get ready. On my mark. 3, 2, 1, fire.
Behind us! Behind us! Oh shit!
Behind us.
Never mind. Here next!
Building shit, dude. They're definitely building shit.
They're building something, man!
They have to be.
What are we doing? Just stand forward.
The fuck was...
What the fuck?
What was that?
They have a fist!
They have mortar. They have a mortar.
Damn! Move forward! Get to it!
Shepherd over here. I'm Addison Shepherd.
Yo, what's good, Paul Power? What's good, Paul Power?
This is so wild. This is actually wild.
Half our guys just got blown the fuck out of here.
I can't wait to get out of City 18. This city is so shit. Horrible map.
No, it's good. It's good, but it's too much, man.
They're pushing from the back. They have an order, the whole CP squad from the back. Tell Steve.
Bro, when is this event gonna end, dude? Nothing's happening.
They're pushing from the back. Pushing from the back.
Just do it quickly!
Hold on. Imagine if I can like
Greetings.
vertically the I wonder if I can like just get back into the fight like this.
Dead.
Probably can.
Man, what happened? I'm dead.
Wait, fuck! Fuck. EMPF is in sewers.
Station.
EMPF in sewers.
Train station. How when did we go to train station?
Never mind, never mind, never mind. Move it! This fucking guy was
Oh,
typing in the
there's
middle of.
Where is everybody? Where is everybody?
They're all at the little underpass thing. Wait, it just stopped.
Underpass thing. Oh, there we are.
Hey, we won!
Yo? Yo. No. I think. Hey, I think.
Fucking Arab type music.
Alright. Awesome.
The streak lock guy.
Everyone say glory to the TFA and OC.
Only mid event.
Production, cinematics, brought by Johnny Roast B.
Slava Steve.
Slava Steve.
By the way, I'll buy any CTA weapons you guys picked up off the ground from those dead CTA.
Dude, I didn't even think about looting.
They're on me, let's go! They measured us! Let's go! We got them, boys.
TFA on top. Slava Steve.
Hey, we got it.
Oh, achievement!
From the
Overwatch, send the canister.
Yeah.
Take us home.
Overwatch, crush this guy's balls.
Alright, so that's it.
This shitty home!
We left Jug 6 alive.
The LARP, it's the LARP.
The LARP.
City 20.
City
20.
20.
Come on.
City 20.
Oh, City 20.
Yo,
Oh,
City 20 dudes!
insane. So insane.
Oh, so we died for nothing. I know that city. It's tiny and shitty.
Wait, maybe it's different. Maybe it's different. Maybe it's different.
No, I know the city. I'm disappointed in them.
I'm just.
Trust me, but maybe it'll be good if they modified it for them. No.
This guy's a loyalist. He's a snitch. This guy's a snitch. Kill him. This guy's a snitch. Kill him.
I'm loyalist level 2, bro.
This
I'm
guy's
literally
snitch.
loyalist level 2.
Where do we go? Where do we go?
The CA, bro.
We kill now! We kill Eminence!
Fucking.
Yo.
Hell!
Snitch, bro. Kill us.
Rick Hell! It's our PvP battleground!
So. We won the video game, guys.
No.
As per usual, I believe continuously supply. Yeah, we love Black Market. I'm gonna build up another
I love this.
I mean, I didn't supply this one, but I will.
Server down. Server down.
Yeah.
Server down.
Yo!
Server down. Server down. Server down. Let's go.
There you go. This is a W for the
Server
TFA.
down. Let's go.
Fucking awesome, dude.
TFA!
GG's, man. Everyone, GG's.
GG's.
Yeah.
That was amazing.
Wow,
I love
dude,
it.
that was fucking awesome.